Quick Start, Booting Home, File Management, MDI Move, Cutting Processing, Other Menu Functions, Troubleshoot. Machine Booting Procedures. Booting. Turn on the CT power. Altogether the transformer. AVR stabilizer in turn. Then switch up the 50 amps man power breaker where at the right side of the generator. At last, turn right the rotary switch on at the front side of the generator. There appears CHMER authorized trademark logo on screen. System memory checksum for 3 to 4 seconds. Then operation screen will show up. Release the emergency stop button. Then press the CNC on green button. The LED will light on. That means the machine now is already standby. Shut down. Firstly, press the emergency stop button. Then turn left the rotary switch off the controller power. It shows interrupt message at the bottom left of the screen. Wait a while because data storage is going on. UPS device will make a noise. Beep, beep, beep. That data now is saving in memory and within 1 minute to finish and shut down the power soon. Please notice, must wait after 30 seconds for again reboot to protect the booting circuits and the motor drive. For securing a stable pitch accuracy on processing, we must execute home search reference point at every time rebooting. Always remember to clear the stop mark sign ahead of machine coordination on screen. If forget, that means machine isn't ready for a normal processing because home search is incomplete yet.